so much fun.
I don't get how he was laughing at me.
Grandma, tickle him hard.
Hey, honey. That was good. Little tree dance.
Hey, Matt, you know I'm putting this on camera?
Tongs are tongs, right? Look, I'm just checking into the hotel here, so let's talk.
Matt, what did you just do?
Okay, bye.
Buzz Lightyear doesn't like me.
Matt, stop! You're gonna hurt her.
No, poor Buzz Lightyear.
I'm here because Rick and I are having problems. Is it just the tongs? Because you guys can work that out. No, that's not it. I've caught Jeff using the